Okay, so we made it home. I will do a little haul of all the things that I've purchased, but not now, just a little bit later. I did opt out for this olive oil cream relaxer in the extra strength. So this is a one touch up application. Hi, Terrence. How are you? Hi, my love. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So it comes with the cream, the activator, shampoo. Where's the love? What happened to the wrench? I'm no longer giving wrench. And conditioner, and of course the spatula and gloves. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the activator inside of the relaxer. I know, but I only have like 3 moderators on my channel. So I'm gonna pour this in here. I hope this little thing is enough for my hair because I have a big head. Hi, Blessed. How are you? How are you doing? Thank you, Terrence. Thank you so much for still supporting, although you don't have a wrench. Buy my membership. Buy my membership, and you're going to be in another color. You're going to be green. And you're going to feel special because your color is green and everybody else is white. I'm doing good, sis. How are you? I am great. I'm just trying to mix up this perm. Some people say relaxer. My hair looks really horrible. So I'm trying to, I'm cooking. I'm doing this. I'm doing so much all at once. Let's see. Please be respectful. Respectful. You my channel. You say one bad word and you're gone. Thank you. So yeah, y'all, I'm just here trying to get this cream relaxed. My hair looks so bad. Let me show y'all. See how bad my hair looks? I haven't done my hair for a month. So I have uh, an event. I have an influencer event to go to tomorrow. I want to shop in the place with my natural beauty. So I want to go up there in my pixie cut. Yo, my multitasking, that's great. Yeah, I'm trying to multitask. I don't do good with multitasking, but I'm trying because I have to cook my lunch for work. I don't like to buy food, but if I have to, I will. But I really like to cook my lunch for work. At least I know how it's being prepared. So that's what I'm doing. I'm prepping this. Then I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna do some Haitian spaghetti real quick. Doesn't need much attention to on the stove. Then I'm gonna put my noodles in, my spaghetti in, and then I'm gonna allow it to boil, you know, get soft. And then I'll be making it with ground turkey. I don't eat ground beef. I barely eat red meat. I don't eat pork. If I do eat pork, it's because I did not know it was pork. You know, it's just my preference. But yeah. But hi guys, hi everyone. I hope you guys are doing good. I said, you know what? Let me come in here and chit chat with you guys. Terrence, how was your day? Sister Blessed, how is your day going, my love? Like, how's work? How's life? How's everything? See how smooth it's getting? So I've put a little bit on my hair so far. I've watched it, sis. Oh, thank you, sis. Thank you for the support. Are you guys checking your email to see if YouTube emailed you? Because YouTube emailed me a gift card yesterday. And some other things, but I'm not in liberty of saying it as yet. But make sure you guys, if you're a content creator, make sure you guys are checking your email to see if YouTube is emailing you, because they surely did email me, and they're giving a lot of things for their 20th birthday. So that email that you have with your YouTube channel, just go ahead and look at it and see if YouTube sent you anything, because they sent me a gift card yesterday for Chipotle. Listen, if you're not on Threads as a YouTuber, a content creator, influencer, you need to get on Threads. I love Threads. So there was this girl who said, YouTube just sent me a gift card, and I'm heading for my food right now with my gift card. And I went underneath her chat. I said, girlfriend, YouTube sent me one too. I'm going. I vlogged it yesterday, so you will see that in the vlog. So I said, YouTube sent me a gift card too. I'm going to Chipotle right now. And then I got my Chipotle. I said, free food tastes so good. Yeah. Listen, yesterday was so funny. And then the people in Chipotle was like, what are you doing? What's that? So I said, I'm vlogging my life. And they was like, I would like to subscribe to you. Do you have like a website or email? And I'm like, sure. And then I gave them my email. Wow, that's amazing. I love the waterfall. It was awesome. I love your first outfit with the black jacket. Oh, thank you, sis. Thank you so much. I actually didn't even record all my outfits, but I really wasn't into recording, to be honest, but I did a little bit of recording just for memories. I went so many places. I ate so many different food, but I wasn't pulling out the camera as much. But the little content that I got, I was like, this is enough, This is just me. Because, YouTube for me is like a digital diary. It's just for me to come back and see next year, next 2 years, 3, 4, 5 years. I have somewhere where I can come back and say, wow, Shelly, you did that. Wow, Shelly, you was that small. You was that big. You accomplished those things. And that's how I see YouTube for me. It's like a digital diary where I'm just storing all my memories. At least the ones I plan on sharing. So some of it is burning me. Some of it. It's surprising that the majority of this took on my hand. Y'all, I'm here and I'm vlogging as well. Okay, so this is burning me. Burning. But I'm going to use the shampoo and conditioner. That's everything that came in this box. I do have my lunch on the stove. It is what, 1:42. So I'm going to drain the noodles just so that I can be able to make the ground turkey. I'm gonna leave you guys here. I'm gonna wash my hair and I'll be back.